Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks, and today I have quite a few pickups that I want to show you guys. I have about 3 different sneakers here that I want to kind of just show you guys that I picked up, and 1 to unbox that I'm happy to get. The first one I want to talk about is a pair of sneakers I picked up off Y-3's website. They have a sale going on. I'm going to link these down on the bottom if you guys are still interested in these. But these are just the Yohji run, I guess that's how you say it. And I just got them in the core black and white colorway. I thought you really couldn't go wrong with it. But they're on sale for $160 shipped, which is a really great deal. And I've been wanting some Y3s for a while, and I'm in love with the old Pure Boost like the first one, and this has the same midsole, so I decided why not. So here's the label of the shoe. As you see, I got a size 11. I ordered these first in an 11.5, and they were just a little bit too big. So I returned those and ordered an 11 instead. So I'm pretty excited to get these in. As soon as you open it up, you get a Y3 card, which is this right here. And it kind of just gives you a little backstory on Y3. Then you get 2 different dust bags. Just one, they both say Y3 on it. And then you also get extra laces, which are white, which was kind of weird because these already come with white laces. But whatever. So here on the shoe, you get a tag that says Y3, and you get that little sticker that usually comes in Adidas shoes. And then there's also another hang tag here, but there's nothing hanging off of it. I don't know what that is. But that's pretty much all the accessories that come with the shoe, and then we'll get right into it. So when looking at the shoe, I mean, it's pretty much just a Pure Boost 1, the original Pure Boost that came out. I have a pair of Rocket Boosts that I still have. They have the exact same midsole, except on the bottom it has a vent. This one doesn't, but you know, I prefer not to have the vent because I did wear them one year to Fiesta and stepped in a puddle, and that ruined my whole day because my socks got wet. So this will be a lot better. I'm planning a trip to San Francisco this summer, and I think that these would be a good daily shoe to just take out there for Adidas stuff. And then I'll probably take out like a Zoom Fly or Vaporfly or something like that. So yeah, these are regularly around $300, I want to say. And picking them up for $160 was a really great deal, especially coming straight from Y3. You're not having to worry about like paying off for a reseller that wore them or not knowing if they're real or not. Going straight to Y3 with their sale right now, they're having great deals. There's a few different colors of the shoe that are available. They're about 20 bucks cheaper. I was initially going for, it was like kind of like a brownish color. Then I saw these. These are the exact same model, just for some reason they cost $20 more. I just went for these. I just thought this would be a little bit easier to wear. And if you can tell right here, this is like a rubber stripe. This one's rubber as well, and then this one's leather with the branding stamped into it. Here on the back, it's all suede, and then it has Y3 and rubber stamped. And it's kind of hard to tell, but all throughout the tongue, the whole tongue is suede and it has Y stamped all the way through it. So I thought that was a pretty cool detail. And on the toe box, you have some stripes running through the mesh. With the outsole here, you get your Y3 branding on the back little pod. And then it's just pretty much your standard Pure Boost running all the way through. No different than any other ones you would have picked up a few years ago. So pretty simple. It does have the new boost on it, which is that scaly boost. But it looks like they're just continuing with the same Pure Boost midsole, which I love. But yeah, that is going to be it. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick little rundown on my new pickup. I have quite a few different shoes coming in as well, which I'm really excited to show you guys. But this was one I was just really excited about because I got it for a really great deal and it just looks dope. But that is going to be it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.